Welcome to the epitome of outdoor fun and adventure. Crafted with meticulous attention to safety and durability, our outdoor garden equipment ensures peace of mind for parents and caregivers alike, allowing children to explore, play, and thrive in the comfort of their own backyard. Whether it's climbing, sliding, swinging, or riding, our top-quality selection of garden equipment promises an unparalleled outdoor experience where every moment is filled with laughter, joy, and adventure. Introducing our customizable wave slide, the crowning jewel of your outdoor garden experience. Designed for safety and durability, our wave slide provides peace of mind for parents while ensuring hours of uninterrupted playtime fun for kids of all ages. Its customizable features allow you to tailor it to your garden's unique aesthetic, seamlessly blending fun and functionality. Watch as children's faces light up with joy as they zoom down the smooth, undulating curves of the slide, feeling the rush of adrenaline with each descent. Welcome to your garden paradise, where unforgettable moments await with our customizable deluxe 4-seater seesaw. Imagine the laughter and camaraderie as 4 friends or family members embark on a whimsical ride together, experiencing the gentle ups and downs of this timeless playground classic. Built to withstand the elements and crafted with durable materials, our seesaw ensures years of joy and entertainment for children and adults alike. Its customizable features allow you to tailor it to your garden's unique aesthetic, seamlessly blending fun and functionality. It's time to embrace the great outdoors and make memories that will be cherished for years to come. Introducing our customizable bike spring rider and duck spring rider, the perfect companions for your outdoor garden adventure. Crafted with precision and care, these spring riders bring endless joy and excitement to your backyard. Children's faces lighting up with excitement as they hop onto their chosen rider, ready to embark on a whimsical journey through their imagination. Whether they're pedaling along on the bike spring rider or bouncing gleefully on the duck spring rider, every moment is filled with laughter and pure delight. Designed with safety as our top priority, our spring riders are built to withstand the rigors of outdoor play while ensuring a smooth and secure ride for children of all ages. Plus, their customizable features allow you to tailor them to your garden's unique aesthetic, blending seamlessly into your outdoor space. Welcome to your garden sanctuary, where relaxation meets adventure with our customizable 2-seater swing. Crafted with care and precision, our swing is the perfect addition to elevate your outdoor space. Imagine the gentle sway as you and a loved one recline on the comfortable seats, enjoying the soothing rhythm of nature. With its customizable features, you can tailor the swing to perfectly complement your garden's aesthetic, seamlessly blending beauty and functionality. Embrace the serenity of outdoor living and make memories that will last a lifetime. Upgrade your garden with our two-seater swing today. Say goodbye to endless maintenance and hello to our artificial grass, everlasting beauty in your garden oasis. A vibrant, perfectly manicured lawn greeting you every morning, ready for playtime, relaxation, and entertaining.